So I'm inside the project, so let's have a quick look at the forms. So this is my main form with just the navigation to appointments and customers. The appointments will have an option to go to create a new appointment or view existing appointments, and the same for the customers. We will have either new customer or view all customers. So this is our customers form. We will have a grid view where all the customers will be listed, and when the user selects a row with the customer, the user can either edit the selected customer or delete. When the user clicks Edit Selected Customer, we will open a Modify Customer form, which will have the customer ID listed in a label but not being editable. And we will have two text boxes where the user can modify the name and phone number of the customer. To add a new customer, it's going to be a very similar form, except we won't have an ID there because that will be created automatically by the database. The appointments form will have a grid view where all the appointments will be listed, and we can either click all, which will list all the appointments, or we will have a drop down with customers, and when the user clicks the customer, only appointments for this customer will be available. User can again click the row for the appointment and either delete it or edit it. When the user clicks Edit, we will open Modify Appointment form, which looks like this, and of course everything will be populated with the current appointment, and user will be able to modify it. So the user can change the date, time, select different customer, select different repair type, or add a description. And user can also select whether the repairman has to be licensed or not. And adding the appointment is gonna be exactly the same, but of course when the form loads, everything's gonna be empty because the user will be entering the information fresh for a new appointment. And notice that we will have an error provider in some of these forms that will be used to display error messages. Alright, so these are the forms, and now we are ready to start coding.